In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Bluebeam. Whether you're building out a drawing set or inserting a quick notes page, the process is simple and consistent, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. You can launch the app and open the file from there, or just double-click your PDF if Revu is set as your default. Once the document is on screen, make sure you can see your pages in the main workspace so you know exactly where you want the new page to go. Next, head to the top menu and go to Document, then Pages, and choose Insert. This opens the Insert Pages dialog, which is where you decide what kind of page you're adding and where it should land. Think of this dialog as your control center for the whole task. You'll see three source options: blank page, from file, or from scanner. Choose blank page if you need a clean sheet. This is great for adding a cover page, a notes page, or a placeholder. You can usually adjust settings like page size and orientation inside the dialog, so pick dimensions that match your document, such as letter, A4, or even a custom size if your set uses something unique. If you select from File, Bluebeam will insert pages from another PDF directly into your current one. This is useful when you're merging a detail sheet, a spec page, or any supporting document. Browse to the file, confirm the pages you want, and you're set. If you pick from scanner, Revu will connect to your scanner and bring a physical page straight into the PDF. Make sure your scanner is available and configured on your system for the smoothest experience. Now choose where the new page should go. In the same dialog, you'll be prompted to select the page location, pick the reference page number in your current document, then specify whether the new page should go before or after that page. If you're not sure of the exact page number, glance at the thumbnail panel to confirm. For example, to place a page at the very start, choose page 1 and set the placement to before. To put it at the end, select the last page and set it to after. When everything looks right, click OK. Bluebeam will add the page and return you to your document. You'll see the new page appear in the thumbnails and in the main view, ready for markup, stamps, or content. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and totally under your control.